This video shows how to install wall-mounted S-Wave curtains for a clean, close-to-wall look. First, let's take a look at the tools and materials you'll need for this installation. Before installing, check that all parts are included. The wall brackets are the key components for side mounting. Remove the mounting plates from both end brackets. Mark drill points above the window frame and keep the track aligned straight. Drill each hole carefully and screw in the wall brackets securely. They'll support the entire track. Slide the bracket fittings into the track's top channel, making sure they glide in smoothly. Slide the connector into the rod groove on the top. Align the grooves of the rods with the pins and push them together firmly to connect. Mount the track on the brackets, tighten the locks, hook the curtain onto each carrier in sequence. The wave pattern will appear smoothly along the track. Try opening and closing the curtain to make sure it glides smoothly and keeps enough distance from the wall. Installation complete. The side mount instantly gives your window a fresh, upgraded look.